Good day everyone. Today, I want to share something cool. A simple C++ program that asks for your age and shows it back to you. It's a fun little project, perfect for learning or refreshing your coding skills.
Before we start, let's break up the following code to understand it better. Line 1 is a header file library that lets us work with input and output objects, such as cout used in line number 6. Header files add functionality to C++ programs. Line 2 means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. Don't worry if you don't understand how line 1 and line 2 works. Just think of it as something that always appears in your program. Line 3. A blank line. C++ ignores white space, but we can use it to make the code more readable. Line 4. Another thing that always appears in a C++ program is this function. Any code inside its curly brackets will be executed. Line 6. It is pronounced as cout. Is an object used together with the insertion operators to output or print text. In our example, it will output hello world. Line 9. It is used to end the main function. Now, let's get started. So this line here, it prompts the user to input their age. Here, we declare a variable named age. It is type of int, meaning it will hold integer values. This variable will store the user's age input. So next, the line number 8 will take the input from the user. So this line outputs the message that includes the user's age. Again, don't forget the semicolon. This program asks the user for their age and then displays a message showing how old they are. It's a great example for beginners just like me to understand user input and output in C++.